Ever wondered what separates men who effortlessly attract women from those who struggle to make a connection? Contrary to popular belief, it's not about looks, money, or smooth pickup lines. It's about understanding and mastering key social skills. This guide will teach you 7 powerful skills that women find irresistible. These aren't superficial tricks, they're actionable lessons rooted in understanding human psychology and building authentic connections. If you practice these skills and make them part of who you are, you'll create the kind of magnetic presence that women crave. Number 1. Master the art of active listening. Most men think that impressing a woman means talking about their achievements or telling great stories. While those things can help, the real secret is the opposite: listening. Women feel deeply connected to someone who genuinely hears and understands them. What active listening means: active listening isn't just hearing the words she says. It's about fully focusing on her, showing interest, and responding thoughtfully. It requires more than nodding along or saying, "Yeah, I get it." How to practice it? Maintain eye contact. Look into her eyes when she speaks. This shows that you're fully present in the moment. Engage with nonverbal cues. Nod, smile, and use facial expressions to show that you're following along. Ask thoughtful questions. If she mentions a hobby, ask, "What do you enjoy most about that?" Or "How did you get into it?" Paraphrase and validate. Repeat back what she says in your own words. For instance, "It sounds like your job is really rewarding, but also challenging. How do you manage that balance?" Why it works. When you actively listen, you make her feel valued, understood, and respected. Many men fail in this area, so you'll instantly stand out as someone who genuinely cares. Number 2. Build authentic confidence. Confidence is one of the most universally attractive traits, but it must be authentic. Confidence doesn't mean arrogance or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about being comfortable with who you are and showing it. What confidence looks like: posture. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and avoid slouching. Voice. Speak clearly and calmly, without rushing. A steady voice exudes assurance. Decisiveness. Be comfortable making decisions, whether it's choosing a place to eat or voicing your opinion on a topic. How to develop confidence. Know your strengths. Reflect on what you're good at and what makes you unique. Focus on these qualities instead of dwelling on insecurities. Face challenges. Confidence grows when you step out of your comfort zone. Try new experiences even if they scare you at first. Practice self-care. Taking care of your body and mind through exercise, good nutrition, and mindfulness boosts self-esteem. Why it works. Authentic confidence signals that you value yourself and your time. This self-assured attitude is magnetic because it makes her feel secure and intrigued by your energy. Number 3. Harness the power of humor and playfulness. Humor isn't just about making her laugh, it's about creating joy and breaking down barriers. A man with a playful, light-hearted side can transform an ordinary interaction into something memorable. How to be playful and funny. Start light. Begin with light teasing or playful comments. For example, if she says she loves coffee, you might joke, "So you're saying I should never trust you without caffeine?" Use shared experiences. Create inside jokes based on your time together. Don't overdo it. Balance humor with sincerity. Constant jokes can make you seem like you're hiding behind humor instead of being genuine. Why it works. Humor creates a bond and helps her feel comfortable around you. It also shows that you're confident enough to let loose and not take yourself too seriously. Number 4. Develop empathy and emotional intelligence. Women appreciate men who can understand their feelings and offer emotional support. Emotional intelligence isn't about fixing her problems, it's about being present and validating her emotions. What empathy looks like. Acknowledging feelings. If she's upset, say, "I can see why that would frustrate you. It sounds really tough." Reading cues. Pay attention to her body language and tone of voice. If she seems off, gently ask, "Is everything okay?" Being patient. Sometimes she just needs to vent. Resist the urge to jump in with solutions unless she asks for them. Why it works. Empathy shows that you're emotionally mature and capable of forming a deep connection. Women are drawn to men who make them feel heard and supported. Number 5. Master storytelling. Great storytellers captivate their audience and leave lasting impressions. When you can share engaging, personal stories, you become more relatable and memorable. How to tell great stories. Start with emotion. Focus on how you felt in the moment rather than just listing facts. Use vivid details. Describe the sights, sounds, and emotions involved. For example, instead of saying I went hiking, say I stood at the edge of the cliff, the wind rushing past me, feeling like I was on top of the world. End with a point. Make sure your story has a clear takeaway or reflection. Why it works. Storytelling helps her connect with you on a deeper level. It's also an opportunity to share your values, passions, and personality. Number 6. Cultivate mystery and intrigue. Revealing everything about yourself right away can make you seem less interesting. Instead, let her uncover your layers over time. How to be mysterious. Share selectively. If she asks about your hobbies, give a brief answer but don't go into every detail. For example, I've been getting into photography lately. There's something magical about capturing moments. What about you? Be unpredictable. Occasionally change your routine or surprise her with unexpected plans. Why it works. Mystery keeps her curious and invested in getting to know you. It also creates excitement and anticipation, which deepens attraction. Number 7. Use charismatic body language. Your body language can communicate more than your words. Open, confident, and warm gestures make you instantly more appealing. What charismatic body language looks like. Smile, genuinely. A warm, natural smile puts her at ease. Maintain relaxed posture. Avoid crossing your arms or fidgeting. Mirror her movements. Subtly mimicking her body language can create a sense of connection. Why it works. Positive body language makes her feel comfortable and signals that you're confident and approachable. Final thoughts. Be authentic. These 7 skills work because they're rooted in authenticity and connection. Don't try to fake these traits. Use them as a guide to enhance the best parts of yourself. When you approach interactions with sincerity and care, you'll naturally attract the right people into your life. By mastering these skills, you'll not only make women drawn to you, you'll also become a more engaging, confident, and emotionally intelligent version of yourself. For more insights into human psychology and relationships, subscribe to our channel for engaging and informative content.